Frustrated because you don't know how to get your hard-earned cash out of Wintub? Let's fix that in the next 90 seconds. Alright, first things first, make sure you're logged into your Wintub account. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the big, obvious button labeled Withdraw. It's usually located prominently in your account area. Click on it. This will take you to the withdrawal methods page. Wintub typically offers several options like PayPal, Payoneer, or direct bank transfer, depending on your region. Choose the method that works best for you. For this example, let's say you want to use PayPal. Click on the PayPal option. A new window will pop up, or the page will refresh, asking you to enter your PayPal email address and the amount you wish to withdraw. Double-check your email address to ensure it's correct. A single typo can cause delays. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Keep in mind that Wintub usually has a minimum withdrawal amount. Make sure your withdrawal amount meets or exceeds that minimum. If it doesn't, your request won't be processed. After entering the details, you'll likely see a confirmation page summarizing your withdrawal request. This page will show your selected withdrawal method, email address, and the amount you're withdrawing. Review everything carefully. If everything looks good, click the Confirm or Submit button. You should then see a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been submitted successfully. Wintub will then process your request. Keep in mind that processing times can vary, so be patient. You'll usually receive an email confirmation from Wintub and also from your chosen payment processor, like PayPal, once the funds have been transferred. And that's all there is to it. Now go enjoy your earnings.